Holior Wormwood Black Walnut Cloves is marketed as a herbal supplement that claims to cleanse parasites, detox the body, and improve overall health. The marketing can make it sound like an easy solution for hidden parasites. But the real question is it a real parasite cleanser or just marketing? Now, to be fair, wormwood, black walnut, and cloves are herbs that have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. However, that doesn't mean herbal blends have been proven to treat or eliminate parasitic infections in humans. What it does well: contains traditional herbal ingredients. The formula includes herbs that have a long history of use in herbal medicine. Easy to take. Capsules are generally more convenient than preparing herbal teas or extracts. Where the hype falls apart: no strong evidence it eliminates parasites. There is limited high-quality clinical evidence showing that these herbal supplements can reliably treat human parasitic infections. Parasite symptoms are often misrepresented. Many symptoms used in marketing, such as fatigue or bloating, can have numerous unrelated causes, not a substitute for medical treatment. If you suspect you have a parasitic infection, proper testing and prescription medications are often the appropriate treatment. So, should you buy Holior Wormwood Black Walnut Cloves? Short answer: probably not if you're expecting it to eliminate parasites. If you're interested in herbal supplements for general wellness, it may be something to discuss with your healthcare provider. But don't expect it to replace proven medical treatments for parasitic infections. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.